Hi, today we're going to see how to create a road band effect in GIMP. I will put the link of this image in the description box. So first we need to add an alpha channel to the layer. So right click on the layer here, add an alpha channel. And now I'm going to add some guides here to be more precise. So go to image, guides, here, new guide by percent. And here direction is horizontal and the position is 50%, press OK. And now I'm going to add another guide, so go to image, guides, again, new guide by percent, and then change it to vertical, the direction. So here, and it's still 50%, and then press OK. And now let's select the rectangle selection tool, check the expand from center in the tool options, and now move the cursor to the center here, where the guides crosses, and then just trace here, make the selection here with the rectangle selection tool. Here it is, and then release, and then press enter. And now I'm going to create guides from this selection. So go to image, guides, new guides from selection, and now go to select none to remove the selection. So here are the new guides. Go to view here, make sure the snap to guides here is checked. So and now in the rectangle selection tool, in the tool options, uncheck the expand from center here, and now I'm just going to make selection here with the rectangle selection tool like this, and now press enter, and now select the perspective tool, left click here on the layer, and now bring this handle here, the bottom right handle, to this guide here, and then bring the bottom left handle to this guide here. And here you can also adjust here to make the road straight if you don't like the result here. So here, for example, I think it's okay here. And now press enter. And now, as you can see, the selection became a floating selection. So click on this icon here, create a new layer. So here it is. And now right click here on the new layer here, and then layer to image size. And now let's remove all these guides here. So go to image here, guides, remove all guides, and now place the bottom part here of the image here of the layer under the upper part. So here, now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in, select the move tool, and then just move it up a little bit. So here, like this. And now we're going to create a new transparent layer. So click on this icon here, create a new layer, fill it with transparency and press OK. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out like this. And now select the bottom part here, right click on it, and then alpha to selection. And now select the new transparent layer we just created, place it over the bottom part here of the layer and under the upper part. Select the gradient tool here. Make sure the gradient is FG to transparent, and make sure the foreground is black here. And now I'm going just to trace the gradient here. So here, as you can see, it starts with black and then fades into transparency. Press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now here you can control the gradient. So like this, I think I'm going to keep it like this. Let's just try to adjust it a little bit. So I think it's okay. Press enter. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And now we're going to blur this layer here with the gradient. So go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. And now let's increase the blur here. Going to increase it to 40. So here I think it's okay. And then press OK to confirm. And now I'm just going to reduce the opacity here. So let's reduce it to around 50 here and see the result. So select the top layer and then press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So I'm going to keep it like this, I think. This is okay. Now select the top layer, press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom in, to zoom out, sorry. And now we're going to merge all these layers. So click on this icon here 2 times. So here's the first one and here's the second one. So now all the layers are merged. And now I'm going to crop this layer here. So select the crop tool here. And now let's make the square here, the crop here, and I'm going to change the size. This is for the width, so double click here. I'm going to type 1920, sorry, here, and for the height it's 1080. Press enter, and now just move here the crop here, so where you want. So I think I'm going to place it here, so here, and now press enter. So here it is, and now I'm going to crop the image to the layer. So go to image, crop to content. Now press the plus key in your keyboard to zoom in. So here it is. That's how you can create a road bend effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.